kids. Today I am going to tell you one story. Do you want to listen the story? Yes. Okay, come. Come here. One day, a boy named Rohan, he was listening music in his room. His name was Rohan. Okay, now one day he was listening music in his room. Suddenly he felt some sweet smell from the kitchen. Oh, what was there? He went to the kitchen and saw, oh, something is kept on the table. Mama has cooked some this sweet dish for me. What was that? He went there and saw that a pot of kheer was kept on the table. Oh, so nice. So he took some kheer in the spoon and ate. Wow, so tasty and delicious. So sweet. Oh, I want to eat all. So he wanted to eat all. So what he did? He took the whole pot in his hand. He held the pot of kheer in his hand and suddenly he started shouting. Do you know what happened there? He got hurt. Why? Because pot was too hot. Pot was too hot. So he got hurt and started crying. Then his mama came and saw what happened there. So now this story is over. Clear? And I have one game for you. Related to this story, I have one game. Okay, do you want to see that? Yes. Okay. See. See, what is this? This is Rohan's face. This is Rohan's face. Okay. Now, this face you have to paste some parts of body. Okay? You see here, these are the some body parts I have kept here, and I will ask some question. So first you tell me which organ help Rohan to listen the music. Which organ help Rohan to listen the music? Yes, ear. Ear na? Okay, so you paste ear like this. Clear? You see? Like this. Now, tell me which organ helped Rohan to see the kheer is on the table. Which organ? Eyes na? Yes, eyes. You see. So you paste eyes here. Paste eyes. Like this. Clear? Now, children, you tell me which organ helped Rohan to smell sweet kheer. Which organ helped? Nose na? Yes, nose. So you paste nose here. Okay. Now tell me which organ helped Rohan to taste that kheer is so tasty and sweet. Which organ? Tongue na? Yes, tongue. So you paste tongue here. Now, which organ help him to feel that pot is hot? Which organ? Tell me. Hand. So you paste hand here. This is the hand you paste. Okay. So there are 5 sense organs. These are called the sense organs. Why? Because through these sense organs we feel, we see, we can hear, we can taste, we can see what is there, which type of taste are there, which type of music is there, which different sound we can listen, we can hear, and we can feel that this is hot, this is cold, this is rough, this is soft, Okay, so different types of things we can feel through these sense organs. So all these are called the sense organs. How many sense organs are there? Again you see, ear, eyes, nose, tongue, hand or skin. You can say hand or skin, because we can feel with the hand or skin. Okay, so now you see again this picture. You see, eyes help us to see, nose help us to smell, ears help us to hear, tongue help us to taste, hand or skin help us to feel. So there are 5 sense organs, clear, through which we can sense our surroundings, about the things. So many things we can know. So what are these things, how are these? So these are called the sense organs. Thank you.